Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
शिरगाव चिंगराचिंगरीविषयी सरकाराकडेन फॅक्ट फाइंडिंग रिपोर्ट आसा. रिपोर्टाचो अभ्यास करून कायदे प्रमाणे फुडलो निर्णय घेतले. राज्यपाल P श्रीधरन पिल्लय उलयलो.
Law will take its own course. A fact-finding report now received by government. I had no occasion to go through the report. Anyway, by considering true facts, based on true facts, I am sure that government will take further action, and that action should be extending justice to all, and 10 lakhs rupees for people who lost life and for injured persons already declared. When I visited the houses, I came to know that. And report today I read that the president also didn't get a copy that I read in some newspaper. We will look into that aspect, and as far as governor is concerned, we have not reached the time up to that stage of looking into the report and other things. I hope government administrators and liberal committees all will together look into all these things, and everybody is interested in the this Almighty Devi and Vishwasi's disciples, so that give importance to that aspect. On research on that now, a fact-finding committee report is there. Further anything is required also. Law is not helpless, and let the law take its own course.
मजगती राज्यपाल ते उपरांत म्हापशा मिलाग्री सायबिणीच्या दर्शनाक गेलो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.